Foodie Pro Theme Review. Are you looking for a brandable, feature-rich yet clean food blog theme? Foodie Pro Theme can give you the freedom to redesign your blog. What is Foodie Pro Theme? Foodie Pro is a clean, lightweight, highly minimalist Genesis theme for food blogs, fashion bloggers, and even blogs of other niches. Foodie Pro comes with the Genesis framework, which is the most trusted theme framework amongst WordPress users. Most popular blogs pinchafeum.com and minimalistbaker.com trust their sites with Genesis. It is the most flexible Genesis theme to date, with a minimalist style, and plenty of color and typography options. Anything you need to know about Foodie Pro theme. Foodie Pro is designed using the latest HTML5 markup, which makes it even more sleek with cleaner codes. Foodie Pro is highly mobile responsive theme that makes your mobile readers drool over your site design and easiness in reading. It also has the all-new hamburger-style mobile menu that all Genesis child themes are known for. Foodie Pro can give users the freedom to choose from unlimited color options to match your branding and styles. It also includes visual editor to easily change fonts color and typography without having to touch a single line of code. You've got inbuilt featured posts section for homepage to display the posts you want to get more eyeballs on. One of the key components you should check out when you are buying a food blog theme is the recipe page options. You will get a custom designed recipe archive page where you can store all your recipes for easy access by readers. Moreover, Foodie Pro is one of the best AdSense-friendly WordPress themes out there. It comes with brilliant, high-converting strategic ad placement options to help you make a decent income. It will support Easy Recipe Pro, which helps you create well-documented and well-formatted recipes with custom print styles, reading styles, and easy import and export facility for recipes. If you're looking for one of the best food blog themes that is minimal yet feature-rich, fast-loading, comes with the goodness of Genesis framework, then Foodie Pro Genesis child theme is what you should definitely check out. Get your site up and running with the Foodie Pro theme and the Genesis framework today. To see live demo site, you can visit the link below video.